What is up? Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing something delicious yet very simple, a little bit time consuming, but it's pretty worth it at the end. We're going to be making jalapeno poppers, easy 3-ingredient snack. So all you need is your bacon, your cream cheese, and some fresh jalapenos. Okay, after washing the jalapenos, you are going to cut them in halves. For step 2, you are just going to completely gut out the insides, like so. We have gutted all these bad boys out. It took me about 10 minutes. It is a little bit of a time-consuming process, so you do want to get some jalapenos that aren't super fresh, just because they will be a little tougher to clean out. Also, if you get really fresh jalapenos, they are going to be hotter. These ones should be a little bit on the mild side, but I like spicy, so I'm not complaining if they have a little kick to them. For the next time-consuming step, we are now going to scoop this cream cheese inside to all of the jalapenos. We have stuffed all of them with our cream cheese. Don't worry about them looking beautiful. You're just going to wrap the bacon around them, and don't worry about overstuffing them, because the cheese is going to melt a little bit in the oven anyway. Okay, here is our final product before we bake them in the oven. Now, I used lower sodium bacon, so it's a little bit on the thin side. So you can take the whole piece and wrap it. If you use thicker bacon, you can stretch it out, or you can cut it in half and use it like that. Oven preheated to 415. You can do a little bit higher, but our oven is pretty good, so it should cook just fine. And we put them in there for about 20 minutes. They are still smoking hot, but they're fresh out of the oven. We're gonna let them cool down for about 10 minutes. And now they are ready to eat. Hope you guys enjoyed them. If you like this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, maybe a subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.